Okay, the ratio of people in Chem A and Chem B is actually 3:7. So here is 3 and here is 7. Okay, I should draw bigger. So it's asking if after 30 people move from Chem A to Chem B, so over here 30 people move off already. 30 people move off. And then Chem A has a ratio of 2 and Chem B is actually 5. Oh, this 30 people is moved from Chem A to Chem B. So it's asking you how to find the final number of people in Chem A. So for such cases, you have to ask yourself, is there any people leaving from Chem A to other places? No. So because Chem A, people is moving from Chem A to Chem B, so it's still within this cluster here. So can I safely say that technically speaking, here is 10. This one is 7, right? The total should be the same. Since people only move from Chem A to Chem B to Chem A or whatever, but it's not moving out of that. It's not moving to Chem C or what. So these two must be the same. I first find something that should be the same, and I must convert it to be the same. So how I convert this to be this one times 7 and this one times 10. Remember, if this is times 7, all must times 7 over here. And then here must all times 10. Then I will have a new chart. So will be 21. And then B will be 49. So total out to be 70. So here A and B. A will be 20. And here will be 50. Okay? 50. So here is 70. Okay? So now it makes sense. Because no matter how you change, the total remains unchanged. Then I'm to ask, I know that people, because this Y21 changed to 20 is because people move from here to here. So if 21 minus 20 unit, right, this is 2 unit. It's because 30 people move. That's why I have reduced. So in this case, 1 unit will be equals to 30 people. Okay? So find the number of people in Chem A in the end. Chem A it has how many units? Chem A in the end, here's in the end. N has Chem, write neatly so people know what you're doing. At the end has 20 unit. So equals to 20 times 30 will be 600 people. Okay? Such question always ask yourself what should be the same, but then it didn't really shows the same when you're doing your model drawing. So we try to make this the same. When it makes this the same, we also adjust the things that are in the same group accordingly. From there, you can see how the whole pictures unfold. So 21, I remove 1 unit, it's actually 30 people move off, and then it becomes 20. Then from there, you can find 1 unit is equal to how many. This question, you actually got it correct. But the reason why I actually put it in is because the method that you do to get this correct is very long. You may not have sufficient time during the examination. This question is similar to the one that in page 1 SA1. If you really understand and did the correction for page 1 SA1, you should be able to use the same method for this. This is actually a guess and check method. Within 2 minutes, you can do it finish. Okay? So, we know that now, in this case, the correct one, right? You will have 5 marks, add 5 marks. Wrong one, you deduct 3 marks. Of course, because of this, you are scared. So you don't know how to do. you don't know how to use the guess and check, always find the difference. Remember back the why was it break? Always remember the difference. Okay? The difference. See? Remember we use the, let's say the cow and the birds, the number of legs. So I use the correct one. I go and minus the wrong one. What is the wrong one? The wrong one is minus 3 marks. So I bracket minus 3 marks. When minus and minus come together, it becomes plus. So it's 8 marks. I can easily draw my table. It's times 5. Total is 106, right? Okay. Total is 106. So for this case, I put all into the correct one, 50 times 5. Then I don't have any wrong one. In this case, I will have 250 marks, which is not what I want as 106. So I find what's the difference also. There I will have 144. 144 divided by 8 will give me 18. So it means that it cannot be all 50 correct one. I need to give 18 to wrongs. And then here will be 32 times 5. Then here times 3. And then when I find the difference, right, I will have, it will be 106. So how many correct answers did Jaslyn answer? Please write in sentence. Answer 32 correct answer.